So I somehow convinced myself to run the beat test today. Oh my God. Thing is though, I haven't done anything in about 6 months since I stopped playing college football. So my goal is to get at least 20. That's like the floor level. If I can get more than 20, good job for me. If not, I just don't even know. Stage 2. It's definitely getting harder. It's definitely speeding up. Trying to conserve energy, increase speed. Okay. In stage 9. 10 down so far. Taking my one pause there. Done. Oh my God. So finishing time ended up being 24. That was so much worse than I thought that was actually gonna be. The beat test is not something to be taken lightly, but you know what? Happy, or decently happy with the 24, so